So this will be edited out. This little trip gets edited out of the video. So here's my organization hack. I write stuff on my mirror with a dry erase marker, and then as I finish it, I just kind of rub it off. That is honestly one of the biggest things that helps me to keep from being overwhelmed is this right here. So you guys get a sneak peek of what's coming. What up, guys? Okay, so you can't see behind me, but I have my little filming setup going. I was trying to knock out 2 videos today. That did not happen. In fact, I didn't even get 1 video knocked out because somebody woke up from his nap and he's a little bit emotional. Yeah, emotional is a good word. He's a little emotional, so clearly we will not be filming anything else tonight. But that's okay. I'm gonna work on some stickers for the shop because I've been MIA for like 3 weeks and that's unacceptable to me. So I'm going to work on some stickers, and hopefully later tonight, once somebody gets home that can, you know, keep him calm, I can get back to filming my video. So yeah, we'll see. What up, guys? Okay, so it is very late, but I want to show you guys what I've been working on here on my computer, outside of trying to edit a video that I think I'm gonna have to refilm because my shirt was like crooked and it bothered me. So I'm gonna have to refilm that whole video, but it's fine. So what I did is in Keynote I have made some stickers for teachers, and I've been wanting to make these for a while because I've put out a teacher planner, but I don't have stickers to go along with it, and so I had a couple teachers who actually gave me some good advice and some sticker ideas. So but I've been sick, and then my cousin passed away, so I really have like had no mind to do anything. So I just created them. I exported them as a picture, each of them as a picture, and if you want a tutorial on this I could do one. Just anyways, follow along. So I exported them as a picture, and then I just airdropped them to my tablet, and I've imported them into GoodNotes. So now I can crop down each of the, crop this picture down each time to create a different sticker, so that people, when they buy the sticker kit, they can just import the GoodNotes file and you can move the stickers around. So for instance, like they go from up here like this as just a regular picture, I guess you could say, and then when I import it into GoodNotes, it really is just moving around. So if I circle it, like all of them are moving around together. What I want to get it to is so that each one of these moves by itself. What I'm gonna do now that I've copied it is I'm gonna touch it. Sorry, I'm gonna tap it, and then I'm gonna hit crop up at the top of the picture, and then I'm going to crop down the picture. And actually I think there's something I needed to do before this, but yeah, there is. Alright. So just so you guys get an idea of what I did, which I actually need to go back and, because I realized that I forgot to take the background off of this, so I'm going to drop it in this website and take the white background off, and then I'm going to put it in here and do all this again. But basically, so I went from having like 30 stickers to now I only have one sticker, and then I'm going to shrink it and resize it so that it looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Can you see it? But basically, that's what the sticker looks like now. So if a teacher bought the sticker kit, they could just grab this one sticker and put it on wherever it needs to go on the planner. Alright, so now what I have to do is I need to go back, because like I said, I did this one wrong, but I want to show you guys like what I was doing. What I need to do is go drop all these pictures in a website that will take away the background, or erase the background for me, and then I'm gonna bring them and put them in put them in GoodNotes and edit each of the pictures, and then crop each of the stickers down so that I have a full sticker kit. It'll probably take me the whole weekend to do all of these, because it's 33 stickers per page, and you have to like crop and save each one of them, so it's gonna take me a while to do it. But I'm hoping, actually it probably won't take me the whole weekend. It'll probably take me like a day and a half maybe. So I mean, that's still pretty much the weekend, because I'm not gonna do it tonight. I'm gonna wait until tomorrow. So Saturday, Sunday, I might can post it on Sunday afternoon or Monday, and then I've got to film another Plan With Me video and refilm my other video because I messed up in the footage. Like, I didn't realize that my shirt was like crooked, so I've got to refilm that whole video, which sucks, but such as it is. I'm getting ready to call it a night. I've got to wash my makeup brushes tomorrow too, but yeah. All right, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Now I'm talking about the filming. All right, let's go, good peoples.
Let me see what's up real quick. Oh shit, Miles ain't out yet.
Yeah.
Get out with me.
Bye. Oh my gosh.
Get out.
Come on, Miles. Miles, come out this side. Okay. He don't want to get out on that side. He want to get out on this side. No, leave the ball in the car.
Is ball roll out?
Yeah, we don't want it to roll away. You don't think you're doing a lot? Okay.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me
Paradise Point. That's all. What up though? So I'm actually meeting up with my best friend because we are gonna do some sunset yoga, although it's almost sunset now, so maybe like after sunset yoga and some meditation on the beach. And I'm super excited because it's been a while since we've hung out. I hate the circumstances that we're hanging out, but I'm definitely happy to be hanging out with her. But I do have a lot of stuff to do this week. So tomorrow I have a church meeting, not church meeting, like our youth group is meeting up to go out to dinner just because we haven't really connected with our kids, and it's been really hard because of course Corona and everything. So we're meeting up to hang out with the kids and just kind of see how's school going, because school started back. And then after that I have to work this weekend, but like with my planner shop, some of the stuff that I need to do. And what's crazy, so sorry, I'm on a tangent. My nephew had homework tonight. He's 3 and in preschool, and I'm just like, why are y'all giving him homework already? Like, do you not realize I work full-time and I'm trying to, you know, run a business and have a social life amid a pandemic? Like, what are you doing? So anyways, he had homework. I helped him with it. It was easy enough. But I have to do some stuff for my planner shop this week because I've decided I want to pretty much overhaul all of my thumbnails. And I'm going to show you guys in this video like where I started, like my very first thumbnails for Etsy versus where I'm at now, and then where I want to get to. But it's a lot of work. Like, I don't have a lot of listings in my shop right now, but just thinking about redoing every single one of them is just like, it blows my mind. So it's kind of frustrating, but you know, growth is gonna be painful. So me remaking all these thumbnails, it's gonna be a little bit painful, but if it takes my shop to the next level, I feel like, you know, it's just what I gotta do. So anyways, I will get with you guys later on in the week, and yeah, sounds like a plan.